Arkabutla Lake, December the 11th, 2020. It has been drained rather low.
PirateBarnes uses Arkabutla in a sentence. Me pirate ship won't make it far in these Arrr-ker-butler waters. Deploy the skiff.
My son reminded me that grass is growing down in this overflow area when we were here a while back. Also notice that there appear to be a couple of natural stream or river channels, one on this close side and then another one on the far side over there. I think that's kind of interesting. If you look real close on that far side, you can kind of see another pathway for, if I can get my finger in the picture, up here at the top, and then another one down at the bottom. Kind of interesting.
How to say Arkabutla in Mississippi? Arkabutler. Arkabutler. Arkabutler.